Hey, good afternoon, everybody. This is Dr. Mike, your instructor for IT 140, Intro to Scripting. Today, I want to talk about Lab 2.14, creating passwords. This lab is actually pretty straightforward. You prompt the user for three inputs: favorite color, their pet's name, a number, and then you print them out in a couple different ways. First one, you just print out all character or all the values in a string. The second way, you actually create some passwords. And then what's tricky about this lab is if you look very closely at the output, you notice there's a new line character here, and there's another new line right there, empty lines. You actually need to print those out because if you don't, then you lose points. So here, the easy way to do that is actually using a print statement by itself, blank with no input. That'll print out a new line character. Another way is to use the /n. I'll use the print here. Okay, and watch what happens here when I run this program. I've got some inputs which I've entered here in the enter program input fields. I enter 3 lines there. Works great. By looking at this, I get the expectation that there is nothing wrong with this code, right? But when you click submit mode and then submit for grading, watch what happens. 1 out of 5. Specifically, it complains, right? So it sees what I have here. Your output starts with, and then it shows some output. It has entered some test input, printed out the values, and means I guess it's missing something, no character, whatever. It expects this right here, okay? It expects a new line character, a /n essentially, in between where I printed out all my input values and before I print out the first password. So if we go back up to the top here to my code, here's where I print out everything right there. And this is where I print my first password. I'm going to add a empty print statement there. That'll give me the new line character they're looking for down here. Okay. And let's rerun that. And I should get a better grade than 1 out of 5 this time. Okay, let's go ahead and go for it. See what happens. Go zyBooks. All right, 3 out of 5, improvement. And lo and behold, my output correctly looks like this. And notice that I have a blank line there. That came from the print statement, right? But if we scroll down further, we're going to see I have another problem between where I print out the second password and where I print out the number of characters in my first password. Another missing new line character. So let's go back up to the code. And another way to fix that is to use the print statement like before, or I could throw a new line character right there. Okay, either approach works. Let's submit that for grading. 5 out of 5. So there you have it, folks. 2 easy ways to fix these really strict whitespace character placement issues that zyBooks has. Okay, you can use the print statement by itself to give you a new line, or in one of your strings, just print out a /n like I did right there. Okay, that's it. Hopefully this will help you out with lab 2.14 and any other lab that has strict character placement issues. Okay? Good luck and have a great day. Bye.